Open the bottom of the UPS box. Manual. Warranty card. Warranty terms. UPS. Power cord. Output line. Power button and indicator light. Press the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Output indicator. Input light. Battery level indicator. (15V to 24V interface, LAN port, PoE port, USB output, 5V output port, 9V output port, 12V output port, input interface. Press 2 seconds to close. Plug the input cable. Connect to our UPS input port. The other end is plugged into the mains. After plugging in the mains, press the power button for 2 seconds. At this time, the input indicator and output indicator will light up. The battery indicator light will go out. The battery light will turn on. When charging, the battery light will flash according to the battery percentage. This is powered by our mains power. The output battery is charging. The battery will flash. The battery indicator will be turned off. At this time, unplug the mains power to simulate a power outage. The mains light will go out. The battery indicator light will light up. Now it's powered by a battery.